Okay, baby. You're not cooperating for your photo shoot. Come on, we gotta have a photo shoot. Silly Illy. We gotta have your photo shoot. You silly boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Silly Illy boy. Silly Illy boy. I guess we can't have a photo shoot with you. You just want to play. Yeah, I just had my first bath. I'm feeling so good. I had my nails trimmed. Chickadee, we gotta have our photo shoot. So much for my whistle blowing. He's just having too much fun in the pot. The chamber pot. The Victorian chamber pot. In the Victorian toddler room at Victorian Gardens Cattery. Yep. He's the fourth one for his photo shoot. And he's not cooperating one bit. Oh my goodness. He is Periwinkle and Picasso's very sweet Seal Point boy, Himmy. Bye for now. Let's see if we can get that photo shoot now, okay, buddy?